Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a creamy cafe-style white sauce pasta loaded with colorful vegetable, cheese and perfectly cooked macaroni. Bring some water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now add 1 cup macaroni. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes or until the pasta becomes soft but still hold its shape. Remove the macaroni from the hot water. Don't throw away the pasta water. Keep it aside because we will use it later. Now rinse the cooked pasta with normal water. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves. Now add 1/4 cup chopped onion. Saute for about 1 minute until the onion becomes slightly soft. Add 2 tablespoons each of green, yellow and red capsicum. Now add 2 tablespoons boiled corn. Season with half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt. Saute everything for another 2 minutes. Keep the vegetable aside. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Add 1.5 tablespoon flour. Roast it gently for about 30 seconds. Roast the flour briefly to remove its raw taste, but don't let it turn brown. Now gradually pour in 1 and 1/4 cup milk while stirring continuously. Keep mixing until the sauce becomes smooth and start to thicken. Add half teaspoon chilli flakes, half teaspoon mixed herb. Season with half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well. Now add half cup cheese. Stir until the cream melts into the sauce and makes it extra creamy. Add the cooked vegetable. Now add the boiled macaroni. Mix gently until every piece is covered in the creamy white sauce. The sauce will be quite thick at this stage. This is where our reserved pasta water comes in. Add half cup boiled pasta water gradually. Mix well until you reach that smooth, creamy, cafe-style consistency. Pasta water contains starch that helps loosen and bind the sauce at the same time. Cook everything together for 2 minutes. Turn off the heat. Your creamy cafe-style white sauce pasta is ready. Serve it hot while the cheese is still beautifully melted. Share this recipe with someone who loves cafe-style pasta. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy recipes, delicious snacks, and homemade cafe-style favorite.